Hi, I'm Nicole, a reference librarian at McAllen Public Library. Welcome back to Food for Thought. Halloween is just around the corner. Here are some healthy and festive Halloween treats any muggle or wizard can try. Keep watching to see some candy-free foods to try without spoiling the Halloween fun. To make ghost fruit kabobs, draw a ghost face on each marshmallow with a food coloring marker. Let them dry before using. Cut the fruits of your choice into bite-sized pieces and add on the skewer. Repeat until the skewer is full and serve. For candy corn fruit sticks, you can assemble toothpicks with oranges, pineapple rings that are sliced, and bananas. You will need to align the fruit and cut them at an angle to form the triangle shape of a candy corn. These deviled eggs are a festive treat you can serve at Halloween. You will need to boil the eggs, let them sit before removing them, and rinse and peel. Slice them in half, lengthwise, and scoop out the yolk. The yolks will be combined in a separate bowl or food processor with peppers, mayonnaise, mustard, and paprika, and mixed until smooth. The yolk mixture can then be piped into the center of each egg white. Place a piece of chive into the filling to resemble a pumpkin stem. Sprinkle with paprika and serve. To make pumpkins and banana ghosts, peel tangerines or cuties, cut celery into small sticks, and peel and cut bananas in half. Stick the celery into tops of the tangerines and stick chocolate chips into bananas to make the ghost eyes. And you're done. These are some healthy options to make to curb the candy overload of Halloween. Links to each recipe will be in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to follow MPL Adults on Facebook.